So in the last video, we spoke about the differences in metals and non-metals. And I said in that video, we were talking about the general differences, but we do have exceptions which must be clarified so that we do not have confusion in the differences in metals and non-metals. So remember, we say that metals are very hard, but here we have an exception that not all metals are hard. For example, we have got the soft metals, which are sodium and potassium. These metals, you can actually cut them with a knife. That contradicts with the statement that metals are hard. So this must be clarified that we have sodium and potassium, which are very soft metals. You can actually cut them using a knife. Right. But however, they have a similarity with the other metals that when they are freshly cut, they are shiny. And then the second exception is that hydrogen is a non-metal, but when it reacts, it forms positive hydrogen ions. So remember, we say that non-metals will form negative ions when they react. But here is a non-metal which when it reacts, it presents properties of a metal. So that is hydrogen. When it reacts, it will form positive hydrogen ions. The third exception is on carbon. Carbon is a non-metal. We say that non-metals are brittle. We also say that non-metals are not conductors of heat and electricity. Right. Graphite is carbon, but graphite is a kind of a carbon which is a conductor of electricity, as if it's a metal. So graphite conducts electricity, and diamonds are also non-metals, but diamonds are very, very hard. They have a very high melting and boiling point, whereas they are supposed to be, according to our general differences, we say that non-metals have got generally low boiling points. But however, we have got diamond, which is very hard, like more than metals, and it has got high melting and boiling points. So these exceptions must always be remembered. These exceptions must be looked into scientifically. We are going to look at them deeper and see what actually makes them be exceptional as they are.